Okay. Hi everyone, I am Vaishnavi Bhardwaj and I am here to present my point of view on the topic, should students be allowed to grade the teachers or not? Yes, students should be allowed to grade the teacher so that the school and the institution will get to know about the performance of the teacher also. We see that the teachers grade the students at the end of the academic year, the end of the session. Like that students should also grade the teachers so that the teachers can able to understand the satisfaction level of student, and it also gives them insight of the student mind, and it also allow the school to understand the comfort level of the student, and it also tell them that the atmosphere of class is favorable for them to learn or not. Sometimes students get bored also, or doesn't feel comfortable with the behavior and attitude of teacher, but they don't know whom to concern, how to concern, whom to complain, how to complain. They didn't know about that, so it will give them opportunity to present their point of view toward the teacher. If they will grade the teacher, they can tell their problems, they can tell their point of view about the teacher, so the school and the teacher can improve the level of education, improve the clarity of education, improve the understanding level of education, and it will be better for the students also and better for the school also, and it will affect positively on the reputation of institution. And as we see, India is a developing country, education is the most important part, so students should understand what they are learning, and most importantly, institutions should know that what kind of teacher they have. They have a qualified and successful teacher or non-qualified teacher, and teachers should also know that their behavior, their attitude, their teaching style, their teaching methodologies are matching with the mentality of students level or not. They should understand it. Second thing is that they should understand what they are teaching to student, because if they will not understand the level of student satisfaction, how they can be able to improve the mentality of a student, improve the learning skill of the students, if they will not know the level of students. So it is very necessary to grade the teachers also. If students will grade the teacher and the institution will know about the mentality of a student, about the problems of a student, and also get to know about the successful teachers, a good teachers and a bad teacher. It will motivate, the grading will motivate the good teacher, successful teacher to continue their skill, to continue their way of teaching, and it will expose the one who doesn't pay attention to the class, who always passes the time in the class, doesn't pay attention to the students, only pay attention to an individual one. It will expose them, that kind of teacher also. And second thing, it is very common nowadays in any professional life, grading is very common. To see the performance level, grading is very common, so why not it will evaluate it in the education system, that students should also grade teachers. If a student will grade the teacher, it will be good for the institution and school level also. Now someone will say that if a student will allowed to grade the teacher, they stop respecting them, they will misuse their power, and there is the solution also. Grading should be done in a proper manner. the student above the 10 years will be allowed to grade the teacher, because maybe the student below the 10 year will not able to understand this properly, understand this process properly, but the student above the 10 year are intelligent enough, are capable of grading a teacher. They can understand, and the institution can involve the parents also. The wisdom of parents, the support of parents will make it more successful. And secondly, the grading should be happen. The grading should be taken in a circumstance, in the parameters of the behavior of teacher is polite or rude, the quality of speaking, the quality of teaching, and then his punctuality, utilizing of time, punctuality of the teacher, and how he or she kept the class in discipline, the manner, the attitude. He or she pays the proper attention to all the class, all the students of the class, or to an individual one. So it can be understand only with the help of grading. If grading of teachers should take place, the school, the institution will also get to know about the level of the teachers, about the success of the teacher, about the skills of the teacher, about the quality of the teacher, and should be able to differentiate between a good one and a fake one, real one and a fake one. They can able to understand, and students should also able to understand. A teacher who are not able to perform their best, who are not able to make the students understand about their lessons, about their chapters, about their education, they should modify them, their teaching skills. They should modify their teaching skill, they should modify their behavior, they should modify their attitude. Sometimes students become bored also, some teachers bored the students also, so they can modify their talking skills, speaking skills, and they can teach the students with fun, with games, with play, in a playful manner. So it will totally help the students, it will totally help the school to improve the education level. And I think so that in a developing country like India, it is very important to grade the teachers also, so that our education system can become a best education system in the world, and our country will soon become a developed country, because the education is a backbone of our country. So my conclusion is that the students should be allowed to grade the teachers, so that the teachers and the institution should get to know about the level of education, about the qualification of the teachers, and about the clarity, the level, the quality of their education system. Thank you very much.